So before starting the session, let me recite a very beautiful devotional song. Okay, this is a very, very auspicious or very beautiful bhajan lines. बजरंग बाला फेरु थारी माला संकट हरियो रे प्रभु मन बसियो रे वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम नाम रसियो रे प्रभु मन बसियो रे वीर हनुमाना अति बलवाना राम नाम रसियो रे प्रभु मन बसियो रे. Hello everyone. Good evening. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Jai Shri Hanuman. So today is the birth anniversary of the Lord Hanumana. So we are celebrating the happiness, victory and unity all over the world. So I wish may Lord Hanuman show his divine blessings on you and your family on this auspicious day. And I also wish that with the strength and courage and with the utmost devotion, you will get victory in your life, in your lifetime endeavors. Let us try to emulate the dedication and fearlessness of the Lord Hanumana in our lives. All right, now let's see the list of the contents. The first, we will see the introduction, meaning and significance of the this auspicious day, the traditions and the preparations, rituals and puja is favorite food, and the Hanuman Chalisa and conclusion. So let's start the introduction part. So Hanuman Jayanti, or some people say the Hanuman Janmotsav, the birthday of the Lord Hanumana, is celebrated to honor the birth and the memory of the Lord Hanuman. Hanuman is worshipped for his unsurpassed devotion to the Lord Rama, and he embodies, all the best qualities of a devotee. He embodies a supreme intelligence, strength, and courage. So here, next, the meaning and the significance of this day. On this festival, the devotees of the Lord Sri Hanuman, they celebrate him and seek his protection and the blessings, and they join in the temples to worship him and present the religious offerings. Now, in return, the devotees, they receive the prasadam, and people who revere him, they read Hindu texts like the Hanuman Chalisa and the Ramayana. And according to the legend, when the Hanuman found Sita ji, she applied the red sinduram to Hanumanji's forehead, okay, for the Lord Rama's victory. So here, what is the traditions and the preparations? So you have to wake up early in the morning during the Brahma Muhurat, around the 3 to 6, between the 3 to 6 a.m. Now you have to take a holy bath and wear clean and the preferably red color clothes. If you are a man, then you have to wear the dhoti kurta, and if you are female, you have to wear the sari, red sari, as red is very dear to the Lord Hanuman, and you have to clean your puja space or the altar and place a clean red cloth on the platform and set the deity's idol or the image of the Lord Hanuman. Now, what is the rituals and the puja? You have to recite the Hanuman Chalisa. There are 40 verse hymns in the spiritual shield, and you have to listen it or chant it 7 times today, because this is an auspicious day. So, you have to chant the Om Shri Hanumante Namah 108 times on the rosary, Tulsi rosary or coral rosary, and do this on specific auspicious time, that is a Mars Hora. So today, read or listen to the Sundarakand Patham from the Ramayana scripture. So this is a Hindu scriptures in which you will find the Sundarakand text. You have to read or listen that. You have to offer the garlands, sweets, and the lighten up a diya in front of the deity, Lord Hanumana, and wear a red thread on the right wrist on yourself, and wear also a red tilak on your forehead, and visit the Hanuman temple in the proper Indian attires, that is a dhoti kurta, okay, or the the dhoti pajamas or kurtas. So do donation, and also do donation the poor and the needy priest or the any in a temple. So what is the favorite food of the Lord Hanumana? So The sweets is also favorite, but without the tulsi leaf, the food or the offering is not accepted. So you have to offer the tulsi leaf in the lotus feet of the Lord Shri Hanuman. So here it is a Hanuman Chalisa. Okay. So let us recite दोहा श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी बरनव रघुवर विमल जसु जो दायक फल चारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरऊ कलेश विकार श्री राम रामचंद्र शंकर हरि ओम मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी द्रवहुष दशरथ. So, चौपाईज जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमत निवार सुमित के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ व्रज अरुध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुबीर हरषि उर लाए रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत संभाई सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव कीना राम मिलाय राजपद दीना तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेले मुख माही जलधि लागी गई अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम रे ते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे मन कम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोए अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाई जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई और देवता जतन धरही हनुमत से ये सर्व सुख करही संकट कटे मिटे सब मीरा जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करऊं गुरुदेव की नाई जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई छूटई बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्ध साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा कीजे नाथ हृदय मय डेरा. अभी दोहा कीजे नाथ हृदय मय डेरा पवन तनय संकट हरण मंगल मूर्ति रूप राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसुर सुर भूप शिरावै राम जय जय राम रे प्रभु राम जय जय राम मंगल भवन मंगल हारी द्रवहुष दशरथ अजर बिहारी बोलो शियावर रामचंद्र जी की जय पवन सुत हनुमान जी की जय उमापति महादेव जी की जय बोलो सब संतन महादेवों की जय 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 श्री राम जय श्री हनुमान Okay, so auspicious time for the worship or for the reciting or chanting on this auspicious day in the morning between 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the evening, 3:39 to 4:42 p.m. in the night, 10:35 to 11:31 p.m. Okay, so I have sent a PDF file to everybody to join the 10:35 class. Okay, so we have recited the Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, and if you are in a temple or if you are going to the temple for the darshan of the Lord Hanumana, you should wear the. If you are a female, you should wear the red bindi or sari, or if you are a male, then you should wear the red kumkum tilak on your forehead, tie a red thread, moli, and wear the dhoti kurta along with the two-strand tulsi rosary mala. If you belong to the Madhvacharya Sampradaya, you can wear the three-strand tulsi rosary. If you are from the Kumara Sampradaya, that I belong to the Kumara Sampradaya, then you should wear the two-strand tulsi mala. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can contact me for any So you can contact me for any donation to my temple. Okay, and if you want to take a astrological consultation, that will be the paid consultation. Okay, or if you want to take a medical consultation, that will be also paid consultation. You can send a message on my email ID, Dr. Akshita Sharma 108@gmail.com. I'm based in the Rajasthan as of now. Otherwise, I often go here and there, so it's not an issue. Nowadays, like we have the virtual uh, consultation as well, so there will be no issue if you want to take any consultation anywhere. So we can uh, organize a Zoom meeting or any other WhatsApp call meeting. Okay, and if you want to get any James Stones, you can also contact me. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope may Lord Hanuman bless you this year. You will get very much success in your life.